let's say that you and I are supposed to hang out this week, and when we meet up, I ask you, hey man, how many red cars did you see this week? And you're probably gonna be like, I don't know, man. And obviously you would say that because who keeps track of how many red cars they saw? But let's say I tell you this. Next time we meet, I'll give you 50 bucks for every red car that you see. And now you'll probably end up seeing more red cars next week than you did this week. And that's precisely what the red car theory means. It basically means that your brain works like a filter. If there's something at stake, it's gonna notice those things. The only reason you notice red cars more is because there was something for you to win, you know? So wherever you went, you always were on a lookout for a red car, and you ended up seeing a lot more red cars than you would otherwise. And this works the same way with opportunities. You can call it luck, you can call it whatever you want. If there's something that you want in life, you have to keep it on your mind, because if you don't, those opportunities will just pass you by. You'll go through life and you'll miss every single one because you weren't even thinking about your goals. And this also works with things that are more negative because your brain naturally wants to be right. So if you tell yourself that you lack something or you're bad at something, it's gonna notice more of those things to make sure that your belief comes true, that you believe that you are, let's say you believe that you are a socially anxious person. Well, then your brain is gonna filter out all the positive interactions and make you hyper focus on the negative interactions so you can prove to yourself that yes, you are a socially anxious person. And let's say you tell yourself that you are a outgoing extroverted person, well then your brain is going to focus on those things and it's not going to focus as much on the negatives. The negatives won't even affect you, they'll just be like a tiny pinch. So that's what I want to tell you. Your brain will notice what you put your focus on. So if you believe that you are a, you know, like a negative person, and you are unlucky and stuff always goes wrong with you, that's what you'll notice, and you'll keep going down that hole, and I'm sure you want to avoid that. So if you're hearing this message, just because you think something, by the way, it doesn't make it true. You know, just because you think you're socially anxious, it doesn't mean you actually are. Since you've convinced yourself of that, that's all you're seeing. So next time, maybe try shifting your perspective, like be easy on yourself, because I'm sure you don't want to feel this way. So change starts today. Tell yourself that you are an outgoing person, and naturally, your brain is going to start noticing more of those things, and then maybe life won't be so bad anymore. Anyways, guys, that's it. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.